सो वी अंडरस्टैंड एट से जो रुपी को डॉलर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, डॉलर को पाउंड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, उसके लिए ये रेट लगेगा। अगेन ये फॉर्मूला तो हमने ऑलरेडी बना के रखा है। सो वी मेड द कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ द रिलेवेंट एक्सचेंज रेट फॉर द कन्वर्जन ऑफ द रुपीस इनटू पाउंड। चलो यहां तक कोई डाउट या क्वेरी? ओके एक मिनट। Now this answer can be calculated with an alternative method also. How we can compute that with an alternative method? Let us understand it. First of all, I have written only the exchange rates. Rupees per dollar and pound per dollar. That is the way we have written, that is I have written only the exchange rate. Now listen carefully. We can make the computation of the rupees per pound directly rate. In order to compute the rupees per pound exchange rate, we will form the formula first of all. Rupees is the final answer, per pound against pound, dollar is given, and against dollar, rupee is given. That is the way we have, that is we can form the formula. Now I want rupees per dollar in the formula. I have been given rupees per dollar, so I will keep it as it is, 70.85 slash 70.95 rupees per dollar. Next thing is I want dollar per pound. However, I have been given pound per dollar, so I have to make reciprocal. Dear students, the reciprocal will be made like this: 1 divided by 0.62 slash 1 divided by 0.61 dollar per pound. That is the way we are required to make a reciprocal. In a way that say when we make the reciprocal value, this value will go on the left hand side and this value will go on the right hand side. Why? Because every time whenever we are forming the reciprocal value, we always have to make sure that the left hand side value is lower than the right hand side value. That is the reason, so we do like this. 1 divided by 0.62, that comes to 1.6129. So this is 1.6129 slash 1 divided by 0.61, that is 1.6393 dollar per pound. So whenever we are making the reciprocal value for the buying and selling rate, then in that case we have to make sure that we make the reciprocal values like this. Afterwards the answer is very simple. We can compute the rupees per pound exchange rate like this: 70.85 into 1 divided by 0.62 slash 70.95 into 1 divided by 0.61. That is the way the two exchange rates can be determined. So 70.85 upon 0.62. So 114.2742 and 70.95 divided by 0.61. So it is 116.3115 rupees per pound. Logically we understand that when we convert the pound into rupee, we will get less amount of rupees. And you can see that when the Reliance company is converting the pound into rupees, then in that case it is getting less amount of rupees, 114.2742. And when the Tata company is going to make payment in pound currency, it has to convert higher amount of the rupees into pound, that is 116.3115. And you can see that over here the exchange rate is 116.3115. That is the way you can have the exchange rate calculation. So what you have to do, I just repeat it. First of all, you form a simple formula. Whatever the formula that you form, based on that, you will keep the rates over here. Rupees per pound is required, the same is given, so no change. Dollar per pound is required. Dollar per pound is required, but pound per dollar is given. So we make a reciprocal, and just you have to multiply these two exchange rates. And with that, you will be able to get the answer. With that, you will be able to get the answer. Now, why to multiply these two exchange rates? For the purpose of finding the cross currency rate, I just explain that to you now. So over here, we understand that basically it is like this. For the Reliance company, please write an answer along with me. The transaction is conversion of the pound into rupees. We understand that the Reliance company is going to receive 2,500 pound. So for 2,500 pound, what is the amount of the rupees that it is going to receive is what we are required to find. For conversion of the pound into rupees, you will get less amount of rupees. So rupees and pound, for every 1 pound you will receive 114.2742. So this is the amount of the rupees for 1,000 pound. Sorry, for 2,500 pound. So we understand that it is 114.2742 into 2,500 divided by 1. So 114.2742 into 2500. That comes to rupees 2,85,685.5. We are doing answer as if we have not done the earlier answer, and this is the way we can have a cross verification. The second part of the question, wherein the Tata Company information is given. We understand that it has imported goods. So it is required to make payment in pound currency. So it is required to make payment in pound currency. There are two rates. One we understand is, say, for purchasing of the pound, and another is for selling pound. So if at all you want to buy pound, you have to sell higher amount of rupees. And if at all you sell pound, you will get less amount of rupees. This is the way the bifurcation of the exchange rate is done. The transaction in which you are interested upon is conversion of the rupees into pound. Why? Because we have imported goods and the amount of the consideration is 1000. So sell rupees and purchase pound. This is the rate which is applicable. Rupees and pound. 116.3115 rupees is equal to 1 pound. So how much rupees per 1000 pound? Answer is 116.3115 into 1000 divided by 1. 1,16,311.5. This is the way we are required to make the calculation of answer.